Good evening. The 7 Action News investigators were the first to expose Judge Diane Hathaway's questionable real estate dealings.
Today, the State Judicial Tenure Commission urged the court to suspend her. Less than 2 hours later, though, in a startling turn of events, Judge Hathaway announced she's going to retire from the bench.
She will end her 22-year career on January 21st.
The feds are looking into Judge Hathaway's dealings and could file criminal charges in this case. So tonight, we wanted to know if that would affect the judge's state pension and what's next in this case.
7 Action News reporter Cheryl Choden joins us now from downtown Detroit. And Cheryl, what are the legal experts telling you tonight about this case?
Well, we've talked to legal experts, a lot of them tonight, and they're saying many different things about Justice Hathaway and about her pension. She has been on the Supreme Court, state Supreme Court, since 2008. A judge, like you said, for more than 20 years. One thing they're saying tonight, she had no choice but to retire.
I think she needed to take some action, and I think probably she thought, in conjunction with her legal counsel, that retiring was the best option.
Legal experts are saying tonight State Supreme Court Justice Diane Hathaway may have avoided suspension by the Judicial Tenure Commission by announcing her retirement today. But the experts say they're not so sure she can avoid criminal charges.
The real question is, are they going to bring criminal charges? And I think that's a real possibility. We'll just have to wait and see.
This all surrounds some alleged shuffling of properties in Michigan and Florida to another family member to enable a short sale of one of the properties. A story first reported by the 7 Action News investigators. It surrounds allegations from the JTC of fraud and money laundering by Hathaway and a civil complaint against her by the U.S. Attorney's Office, also alleging fraud.
Each of those agencies have alleged criminal violations of bank fraud, allegations of income tax evasion, money laundering. So those are very serious charges, and so I think the possibility that they will follow that with a criminal case is a real possibility.
There are also questions tonight about Hathaway's pension and whether she should get it after she retires. Matt Fendaway, a spokesman for the Michigan Republican Party, says, "I am urging Diane Hathaway to do what is right by forfeiting her public pension so taxpayers are not required to financially support a scandal-ridden judge." Hathaway is a Democrat. We asked labor lawyer Deborah Gordon what Michigan law says about that.
Whatever acts occurred or did not occur were in her role as a private citizen, has nothing to do with her being a public official. I think based on the Michigan law, she would not have to give up her pension. And most states take that position.
Now, the state Supreme Court meets in Lansing, but the justices do have offices right here in Detroit. There's no word as to whether Diane Hathaway has been in the office here packing up, but it is reported she will have no input in any cases between now and January 21st when she does retire. Reporting live in the News Center, I'm Cheryl Choden, 7 Action News.
All right, Cheryl, thank you for the live report. Not the end of this story either. Carolyn?
Michigan Attorney General Bill Schuette says he expects the governor will move quickly to appoint Hathaway's successor. Now, Schuette says given the gravity of the ongoing federal allegations and today's unprecedented Judicial Tenure Commission complaint, it is in the people's best interest that Justice Hathaway step down. He goes on to say, too many public corruption scandals have damaged the public's trust in government and tarnished our state's reputation. And we will bring you any new developments in the Judge Hathaway investigation right here on 7 Action News and, of course, online at WXYZ.com.